G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 19, 2023, and wow, what an exciting day for natural gas, eh? Not really. We're still stuck in this band between this support and this resistance area on longer term on the daily. This support at 20.65 and resistance at 30.50. If I zoom in on the daily here, we're stuck in this currently in this minor range between this minor support and this minor resistance at 26.32 and 29.73. We had a nice big bullish candle overnight. Since after the weekend, and it's some change on the hourly, and I'll go to that in a second. But first off, on the CCI, you can see there it's still rising ever so slightly, so some possibility of making some advancement towards this minor resistance. And on the Stochastic, we keep showing this, it's still in the oversold territory, but making ever so slight advancements above its moving average. Now on the hourly, we did have this double bottom since our last video, and you can see there it's actually gone past the 200% level. That's how you read double bottoms. It usually goes 200% from that range there, and it's done that quite nicely, and it's sort of stuck there at the moment thinking about what to do, and we'll get more action probably tonight. You can see here on the CCI as well, it's breaking to the upside. No real divergence to talk of. The CCI is behaving in alignment with the price at the moment. Likewise, the Stochastic, you can see there it's rising up towards the overbought territory, so we may see some weakening possibly in the coming hours. Although we are seeing a break above the +3 on our multiple indicator down here, which is an early warning sign that we may see some movement to the upside. You can see here this indicator works nicely when you see here it's advancing and it's starting to punch down. It's saying be careful, but it starts to turn down, which it did. And we had a bit of a retrace to the downside. As well, we had a bearish divergence here, which played out quite nicely versus the price. For those that are new to the channel, we do read these divergences, and in this case it broke down to the closest Fibonacci range and hit our target. And I've marked those targets hit with little rectangles over the last few months, and it's worked quite nicely. This just applies to all instruments. We look at divergence where it applies. So that's where we are at the moment. We're still, I wouldn't say threatening our resistance up here, but there's some movement to the upside, although it looks like we maybe see a bit of a downside short-term retrace in the coming hours. See how it goes. We'll keep an eye on it, let you know. So to get more insight into some of the trading strategies and some divergent strategies, subscribe and support us more on the Patreon page, where we look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.